Alex begins every visit with clarity, care, and respect. Before any equipment is unpacked, she confirms the booking with the client. Today, the service includes one oven, the electrical hobs, the extractor, and the microwave. Clear confirmation protects both sides and sets the tone for a professional visit. She explains her plan with calm confidence. The trays will go into a deep tank to soak properly, keeping the worktop safe from damage. The oven door will be dismantled, including the glass panels. The internal fan will be removed and cleaned. This is a full deep clean, far beyond the light surface work a regular cleaner might offer. This is the Ealing Clean way. When the client asks about stains on the top panel, Alex is honest. Rust cannot always be removed, even with the best detergents. She promises effort, not perfection. Transparency protects the customer, and it protects the cleaner. As she inspects the kitchen, Alex notices a chip in the worktop. She points it out gently. She photographs the damage. This is part of the procedure. Documentation removes confusion later and keeps the visit smooth and fair. Next, she outlines the rest of the workflow. The extractor will be dismantled, the filter replaced, and the microwave cleaned at the end. Even simple appliances deserve precision and care. The client asks how long the service will take. Alex gives a realistic estimate of around 1.5 hours. She explains that the kitchen will become a work area, and for safety, it's best if the client does not enter during the process. Clear expectations create calm, professional cooperation. She prepares the environment with slow, deliberate movements. Floor protection is laid down carefully, equipment arranged with purpose. Clarity, care, and respect guide every step. Finally, Alex confirms the payment details. Ealing Clean does not accept cash. Every booking requires an active card on file. A secure hold is placed before work begins, and the final amount is charged automatically once the clean is completed. She explains this clearly so the client knows exactly what to expect. When the client updates their card and the hold is confirmed, Alex prepares to begin the job. Focused hands, clear intentions, professional pride. That's what it means to work the Ealing Clean way. Ealing Clean. Every detail matters.